Now as you guys can see, I'm currently up $431, and okay, it's changing, but you get the point. 400. Now I'm gonna show you guys everything from the startup, like when I was placing my trade, how I was able to get my entry, and where the market is currently. Now this trade is currently going against me. Now I'm even meant to close this trade like few hours ago, but just for you guys I had to record it. Now let me show you guys this point right here. Let me show you guys. Now I took this trade from this point right here. Now when I placed this trade was about like 12 p.m. on Tuesday, and today is currently like a Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. So I was basically, I video everything. Don't worry, I'll show you guys everything. When I came into the market, I saw that the market was currently on this moving averages right here. This moving average. I saw that price was clearly at the moving average, seriously resting on these moving averages. Now, as you guys know, I use other indicators. Now, I had to check, what was happening on that indicator. Like, is price still going to go up, or is price going to go down? Because mostly, sometimes when you have a reaction from like a resistance area, because you could see right here, this is a resistance area. What will happen next is, price going below the moving averages and everything. And when price go below the moving average, that's the end of the trend. So I had to check that, and I found out that it's still showing me current signals for a buy. Now I went ahead and placed in my buy in the market. Now immediately I was done placing my trade, I remember I had something next to do. So at this point in the market, seriously, I wasn't looking at it. What I just did is, place my stop loss, right below the moving averages, and continue with everything I was doing. Now when I was placing my trade, I think it was just this little candlestick right here, this one right here. For this next one, for a few hours, they start printing out big candlestick. Now when I came back to check the charts, I found out that price has already gone way above my resistance level. Now there are two things that I know whenever price breaks the resistance level in my strategy. Now for the first one, whenever price breaks the resistance level in my strategy, the market just continues to go up, and what I have to do is that I have to go to another time frame to find out the resistance level in that market and see how price gets there. Now the second thing that can also happen is price might just break that resistance level small, then when it breaks that resistance level, it just go back down. Now this was exactly what happened. The second one right here is what happened. Now as you can see, immediately price broke that resistance level. We're just seeing, just little, very little candlestick, but above all, price was, above the 9 moving averages. Now I didn't just want to allow everything to run in like that, so I had to put my stop loss, way above my entry to secure some profit, in case anything happens within that period. Now as you can see right here, price is currently going below the moving averages. Even why this whole retracement, why this whole shock thing happened, is because of the resistance in the market. So I was looking at it in the form of price was just reacting to the resistance and head back up again. But as you can see right here, the influence of the moving average is making price to go down. Now if you check the time is currently like 4:54. So during my bedtime, you could see how the market was just going down. Now right here, price has already gone below the resistance, price has already gone below the moving averages, so it doesn't make any sense of me holding this trade. Now before that, let me go ahead and explain the moving averages I've on here. Now if you check the video before this one, I've already released a strategy on that and everything. Now as you can see right here, I have the 9 moving average and I have the 25 moving average. Now whenever price is above the 9 moving average, it means that the trend is active, the market is active. And whenever I see price, below the moving averages, it means that the market is currently in a retracement, or the trend is not active at that period in time. Now whenever I see price above the 25 moving average, it's just trying to signify an uptrend now, but now price is going below, the moving averages and everything. This is trying to signify sales in the market. But anyway, if you guys want a very much detailed video on that, you can go ahead and check the video before this one. So you can go ahead and check the video before this one. Anyway, not going to lie, this trade was risky, but I had to take it because I know what was happening in the market and every of those things like that. So if you're asking for the broker I use Vantage Market. So you can just go ahead and click the link in the description of this video. can easily create a trading account in just 5 minutes with a very good broker. Now, one thing about Vantage Market is that they offer very low spreads, and you're also able to trade multiple assets from Forex to any financial instrument that you can think of. And you can also download their app on the Google Play Store or on the Apple App Store. So if you guys gained value from this video, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button, hit the red subscribe button if you haven't, and with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.